Hello and welcome to my magical clean with me. I wanted to let you guys know this is a collab with Katie Sottile and I love her, and I promise you will too. She is actually cleaning as Snow White, so definitely show her some love and head on over to her channel after watching mine. I'll leave the link down below in my description box. I did this costume cleaning last year and had so much fun, but it was her idea to collab on it this year and I thought it was such a great idea. It's just a fun way to change up these cleaning videos. But if you're new, hello, welcome. My name is Ashley. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you do, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And now let's get back to cleaning. Okay, this was by far the hardest cleaning video I have ever filmed, and it's probably the shortest, so if it's not long, I am so sorry. I'm exhausted. I totally get why Cinderella was skinny now. It's because she hand swept her floors and hand washed them. Oh my gosh, I'm so out of breath. That is so hard. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope it was fun. I hope it was different. I hope you still got a little bit of cleaning motivation, maybe not, hopefully just a good laugh. Don't forget to head on over to Katie's, Snow White's channel after watching mine. I cannot wait to head over there and watch hers as well. If you're new here, I would love for you to subscribe. I promise I'm normally not in costume. You can watch all my other videos to see if you like it, and if you do, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Oh, and happy Halloween. Bye. Okay, I'm gonna take you guys through real fast and show you how much of my house didn't get clean. So this is actually where I was doing that outro. You would think I would just open up my tripod, but this just seems so much better. So that's still out. The rest of this it's clean for the most part. My floors probably need to be redone because I'm sure you guys saw I was missing spots left and right, and I just didn't do a lot of them. This room's clean for the most part, but my closet's not. There's the dress I shedded
laundry, tags. There's my hair pieces. I need to work on that. Here's a shoe. A fun fact, during the day, if I find a spider, I kill it and then I leave a shoe on it and Chase has to clean it up when he gets home. I don't do that. And then here is my laundry room that never got finished. So the house definitely isn't perfect, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video.